Hi, it's Chris with Florida Drone Supply, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the always popular DJI Avata, which is the latest addition to DJI's lineup of FPV drones. Today, we're going to explore how the Avata pairs seamlessly with the Integra goggles and Motion 2 controller, taking your FPV experience to new heights. So let's dive in. First off, the DJI Avata itself is quite impressive, an advanced drone that boasts cutting-edge features and engineering, allowing pilots to enjoy an unparalleled FPV experience. With its sleek design, powerful motor system, and advanced flight control, the Avata takes your aerial adventures to new levels of excitement. But what truly sets the Avata apart is its compatibility with DJI's brand new Integra goggles. These goggles provide an immersive first-person view, putting you right in the pilot's seat. Equipped with a high-definition display and low-latency technology, the goggles offer crystal-clear visuals and minimal lag, ensuring a seamless and immersive flight experience. It is also ADS compliant right out of the box without the use of any other remote ID devices. The Motion 2 controller is an incredible companion to the DJI Avata and the Integra goggles. This compact and ergonomic controller brings an entirely new dimension to controlling your drone. With its intuitive design and precise motion sensors, the Motion 2 controller allows you to control the Avata with natural hand movements. Imagine the freedom of tilting your hand to maneuver the drone or pointing in the direction to make the Avata follow your lead. The Motion 2 controller revolutionizes the way you fly, giving you a unique and intuitive piloting experience that truly makes you feel connected to the drone. Now, when you combine the Avata with the Integra goggles and the Motion 2 controller, the result is pure FPV magic. You will be able to explore breathtaking landscapes, execute acrobatic maneuvers, and capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or just getting started, the Avata, Integra goggles, and Motion 2 controller offer seamless and user-friendly experience that all bundled in what they call the Explorer combo. DJI's commitment to innovation shines through in this powerful combination. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or just getting started, the Avata, Integra, and Motion 2 controller offer seamlessly and user-friendly experience, all bundled in what they call the Explorer combo. DJI's commitment to innovation shines in this powerful combination, and with its ability to capture high-quality 4K video, this allows you to unleash your creativity and push the boundaries of aerial cinematography. We hope this glimpse into the future of FPV has inspired you to take your drone adventures to new heights. This Explorer combo is available for pickup or online order today, and we'll put a link in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel for more drone releases and updates. If you have any questions about this drone or the many others that we sell, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.